Alright folks, let's get straight into it. Today I'm going to show you how to solve the Rubik's Cube in just 2 minutes. Yes, you heard that right. First, a quick overview of the cube's structure. You've got the centers, edges, and corners. The centers are fixed, while the edges and corners are the ones you'll be moving around. Next, the rotation lingo. You've got R for right, L for left, U for up, D for down, F for front, and B for back. If you see an apostrophe, it means a counterclockwise turn. Now let's dive into the algorithm. It's all about 90-degree rotations. We'll tackle this in 7 stages. Stage 1. The white daisy. Create a white daisy on one face. No need for an algorithm here, just do it intuitively. Align the white daisy's petals with the center colors by rotating the middle layers. Stage 2. Bottom corners. Place the white corner pieces. Use the algorithm to bring corners into their correct positions relative to the white center and adjacent color centers. Stage 3. Middle layer. Solve the middle layer edges. Find an edge piece that doesn't belong in the top layer and use the algorithm to position it correctly. Stage 4. Yellow cross. Form a yellow cross on the top face using the algorithm. Stage 5. Top layer edges. Arrange the top layer edges to coincide with their corresponding center colors. You might need a slightly modified algorithm here. Stage 6. Top corners. Position the yellow corners using a modified version of the main algorithm. Stage 7. Orient top corners. Orient the yellow corners to complete the solve. And there you have it. Solving the Rubik's Cube is all about practice, so keep at it and you'll be a pro in no time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more awesome content. Happy cubing!